I have to come back, okay, and 4:48 p.m. going into the end of the day. I want to show you two things. In the most recent video, right? So you think you know macros, right? We do need to stand corrected. There was a portion of that video where we mark the 10:45 until 11 a.m. close, right? That particular candle right here. We mark this as the 10:45 a.m. macro, and that would be incorrect. Here is the open of your 10:45 a.m. macro. What this level is, it is the hourly settlement for 10 a.m. until 11 a.m. Okay, and so that is what this key level would be. Okay, it is the settlement for 10 a.m. Okay. So from 10 to 11, that's where we close that hourly candle. You understand? Here's 11:30, close and overlap. The same principle still applies, right? But I am an honest man, and if I need to stand corrected, I will do so, right? Let's look at that last trade, right, that we were talking about at the end of the video. So we went ahead and we bought 3 contracts at 30.8250. That's 6.25% discount for the week, right? We bought that here, and you can see we were stopped out at 83.25. Okay, so a break-even trade to end the day, right? And once we see that close and overlap, we are not going to risk anything. We're going to instantly go to break even. It's 3:30 p.m., 3:15. We know that MOC is coming in, and we see what happens here, right? It's 4:50 p.m. I'm not interested in doing anything else for the day, right? So I do appreciate y'all tuning in and watching my videos. And like I said before, I'm ecstatic, and I'm extremely satisfied that there are several people that are finding value in the simplicity that I'm showing you, and how to find pertinent key levels, and how to find the true macro, right? And not to beat a dead horse or go any further, but there is one thing that I want you to understand, right? Here's the 2:45 p.m. macro open from Friday. This is the first thing we talked about in the previous video, right? Okay, what time is it here? At 3 p.m., right? Isn't that the same macro, just the previous trading day? Right? Whereas what? Here is 8:45 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. macro. It started here, the open of 8:45 p.m. It's not odd that 8:45 a.m., 12 hours later, we're sort of right back in that same range, right? You understand what I'm saying? These are things that you have to go into charts and see for yourself, right? You become intrigued, or your interest is piqued by what I'm showing you here, but you do have to actually do the work. Go into your charts, put the open of these 3, 6, 9, 12 hour periods, right? The macro that takes you into those time markers, and you watch and you see what I tell you. Wishing y'all the best. I'm out.